Welcome to the Daily Jing for Friday, June 1st. Here's a quote of the day. When you listen generously to people, they can hear the truth in themselves, often for the first time. Rachel Naomi Roman. Let's go to the schedule. We're in Friday of the third week. So start the 9 SRA. Continue with the discussion. I'll have more to say in a minute about that. And the rough draft of the paper is due on Monday. Let's look at the paper assignment for a minute. Make sure that you understand this note. You need to post your topic and thesis to the discussion board and reply to my comments on your thesis. I will not accept the paper you write if you do not do this. Make sure that you go into the discussion. Want to have a conversation about your paper. So you're going to write two drafts here. The length. The final length is 1,800 words to 2,000 words. For the first draft, needs to be at least 1,200 words. Get to the middle of the fourth page. Okay, let's go back to the schedule. So the paper is due by Monday at 6 a.m. and I'll be reading them on Monday, and then you'll revise them. Here's the peer review sheet. I was just on that page. Let's go to the key page for a minute. Again, I reiterated this idea that you have to post your thesis to the discussion board and reply to my comments about your thesis and reply to any additional comments. I'll be looking at this today, mostly later this afternoon, and make sure that you look at the structure of the paper. Start with an introduction that gets your reader into the topic, and then a thesis, something like X is most reasonable, or the best way of doing Y. This is arguing a position, and this is arguing how to do something better than something else. And then you have a because clause, because of reasons. And then you acknowledge the opposition and you make your case for the position that you are taking on the issue, or support your argument with sources. Take the reasons up here that you've lined up and write them paragraph by paragraph and lay out your reasons. Say why it was true or it works, and support your reasons with sources, and then come up with a conclusion. You must conform to this structure, this basic structure. Okay? This thesis here is both setting up what you're arguing for and giving us a forecast of your reasons and how your paper is going to go, the body of your paper here. It's going to have paragraph A and paragraph B and paragraph C and so forth and so on, where you lay out your reasons and you support those reasons with evidence and sources. Okay? So you make a claim, and then you provide reasons for that claim. And then in the body of your paper, you support those reasons one after another in the same order that you present them here. Okay? Back to the notes. And again, respond to my comments. The first draft of the question of the day, first draft of the research paper is due when? It's due by Monday at 6 a.m. And remember, I will not accept your paper unless you post to the discussion and reply to my comments today. All right? Okay. See you on Monday.